Hello friends, today I wanted to change things up just a little bit and start this episode off by welcoming you to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Ilka, and this is where we explore the beauty of nature, the power of plants, and how intentional living can transform our lives while also contemplating some more meaningful and personal issues that I believe we're all dealing with at some point or another. But before we dive into today's episode, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoy this content, please like and comment and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon after subscribing so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. Okay, so in today's episode, I wanted to talk about values. What are they? Why do they matter? And how can we connect them to setting meaningful and achievable goals? I also decided to focus a little bit more on self-care, tying it together with the previous self-love episode. So I'll be showing you a simple and easy to make self-care product that I personally use all the time that has some calming and soothing herbs for your mind and your body, some of which I actually picked from my garden last year. And of course, I'll be baking something delicious again. So grab a cup of tea or a coffee and maybe a notebook, and let's sit back and enjoy this episode together. Recently, we experienced what might have been the last little bit of snowfall for this winter season, and I couldn't resist stepping outside to enjoy the fluffy snowflakes dancing in the air one last time. Herbal Sachets are one of my favorite self-care products. They're a wonderful way to incorporate some aromatherapy into your routine. I've placed the contents in the description for you if you like to make some of your own. I love adding these aromatic pouches to enhance a relaxing bath, or place them under my pillow, in drawers, or hang them up in my car to release a soothing scent. As I mentioned in my intro today, I want to delve into the concept of values. Those deep beliefs that guide our choices and how they tie into setting meaningful goals. Values are the core beliefs, the non-negotiables that define what's most important to us in life. I like to think of them as roots of a tree. They anchor us, nourish us, and keep us grounded. Without a clear understanding of our values, it's easy to feel lost or overwhelmed when setting goals or making decisions. For example, if you value health, your goals might focus on nourishing your body or staying active. If family is a top value, you might prioritize time with loved ones or creating traditions that bring you together, fostering joyful and meaningful moments. When our goals reflect our values, we feel at peace with ourselves and with others. We feel fulfilled, self-directed, properly aligned, even when challenges arise. Our very identity is defined by our value system. Anytime we violate a value that we feel defines us, we feel disoriented and sad, or just plain not right. like for you to take a moment to reflect on your values. What values in your life are non-negotiables? You simply will not allow anything to get in the way or steal that value from you. Is it freedom, peace of mind, health, wealth, honesty, self-discipline? You can imagine how long the list must be. What do you want to build your life around? Keep these thoughts in mind or write them down as we continue to talk about values. My values also inspire some of my goals, like creating herbal products or sharing plant-based recipes with all of you, like these Hawthorn-Lavender cookies I'm making. If you watched the autumn episode where I foraged for the hawthorn berries, well, these are those berries. I was waiting for the right time to use them. I'm linking the episode above and in the comments below, as well as the recipe for the cookies. I believe that when we align our goals with our values, they become more than just check boxes. They actually transform into meaningful steps towards the life we aspire to live. For instance, I value simplicity, sustainability, and connection to nature. And one of my goals is to continue to live a slower, more intentional life where I work with the earth and nature, not against it. I guess that's why I love foraging so much, as it aligns with my values. When I bake, especially with ingredients I foraged or grown myself, I'm reminded of the importance of being present, appreciating the small joys in life, and nurturing a connection to the earth. Consider your goals. Are they rooted in what you care most about? If not, it might be time to adjust them. Goals that aren't tied to values often feel empty and we lose motivation. But when they align, every step forward feels purposeful. Values are the compass that determines what direction we should go, and goals are the destination points we are reaching for. When the two work together, life feels more aligned, more purposeful, and yes, more joyful and more fulfilling. As always, thank you so much for joining me today and for watching until the end. I really encourage you to reflect on your own values and think about how they can shape your goals and maybe even try something new. I hope this episode inspires you to embrace some self-care practices that resonate with your personal values. And if you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, please share it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And again, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when I publish a new episode. So yeah, I just wanted to share these thoughts with you. Let's chat more about how we align our daily lives with what truly matters to us in the comments below. I would really love to hear from you. Until the next episode, I wish you health, wellness, and joy.